Moira live in Edmonton. Brought to you by Juice and Coffee Co.
JC Production
For making this event possible.
Music, ladies and gentlemen, nandito tayo sa Edmonton Expo Center. Si Coach Moira, naka-influence through her brand, through her song, through her music. At kasama natin ang ticket buyer, ticket holder natin ngayon, si Kuya Rod. All the way from Pampanga, pero nasa Edmonton, at ang kanyang anak na si
Angelica.
Hi, Angelica. Angelica, if Moira is here, what would you say?
It's nice to meet you, and I love your music a lot.
And you watch The Voice, and what can you say about her opinion sa mga artists?
It's nice.
It's nice?
I say vocal lessons, and I use her advice for my
Really? Okay, and you also sing, right? You know what, Angelica, you're an angel to me when I saw you having this kind of disability, but you know what? Nothing beats your faith. And if there will be more young people all over the world na merong disability, ano ang gusto mong message sa kanila?
Try your best, don't give up on everything.
And when you say don't give up on everything, what do you mean by that?
There are things happening to you in life. Like me, I had 15 surgeries.
Wow.
And I had a recent one. And you have to try hard on everything.
Wow. Oh my Lord. Hindi ko kaya yon. Saan ka kumukuha ng lakas? Sa Lord. Alright. Oh my Lord. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Real Talk and Real Story, Real Life with Angelica. Attending Moira's concert. Sana makasama ka ni Moira mamaya on stage, ano? But we'll see. Panorin natin ng Moira today here in Edmonton. My name is Ronald Alan Tula. Let's hear it from our special guest, Angelica.
Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin at hindi may makupli, at madalang nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal at hanggang sa pag-ibig natin na matatagal. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di ba paliwanag ang nadarama? Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di mapasagin, di ka sasagan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Mga taga Toronto, Pilipinas, saan dako man ng mundo, paki-follow ang kanyang Facebook, YouTube channel. Ang pangalan ay
The Road at Angel.
Pero gusto kong maintindihan at maramdaman ang isang tatay na merong ganitong pagsubok, no? Paano mo to tinatanggap? Paano mo to takukupa?
Actually, hindi naman pagsulat.
It's like, we're thankful na sa amin siya binigay. Kasi kung sa iba siya mapunta, yung pag-aalaga namin, baka hindi nila maibigay.
Okay.
So, basta sa taas yun. Everyone.
Grabe. Anyway.
Masaya lang kasi nakapay. Kasi gagagaling lang niya nag-surgery. So, sinabi mong panukurin yung panood ng concert. I-request niya talaga si Moira. Kasi most of her song, alam niya. Kinakanta niya. Kahit minsan, dahil nga dito siya laki, dito siya sinili. Yung Tagalog niya medyo nagbabalit-balit. Pero she's trying.
So I held her hand, right? And then she gave me hand cream. Nagaspang ba kamay ko, babe? Sige, palambutin ko, ha? Next year, malambot na to. Thank you, I appreciate it. I hope you like that song. That's my hope song. So whenever I feel lost and scared, that was actually inspired by Aslan from Narnia. You know that? So whenever there's war and somebody's about to, get defeated in the war, the lion starts to appear out of nowhere to save the day. And so when you feel hopeless, always remember that it's gonna be okay. Yeah. Thank you for my hand cream. I'm gonna use it now.
Hey, Angelica, what is FLY?
First love yourself.
All right, peace out.